Aloha! Hi, I'm Morena Gatifola. I'm a psychic, I'm a healer, I'm a multidimensional being, and today I'm making a special video because I would like to do live seminar, like a live online workshop, yeah. And the title is about connect with your true nature and connect with Mother Nature, and then you can embrace your true nature. That's how it is right now. I just want to show you how I live little. I just made this amazing smoothie, like with berries and nuts, with almond milk, and no dairy products. And I always say less is more. And the online seminar will be about, not about a hype. It will be a natural hype that you can create yourself. You don't have to run to those 5,000 euros or dollars event seminars, and then people are screaming and yelling and dancing. I'm so sorry if you have been there and you're totally amazed by it. Good for you. I'm not, because I have seen people going there. They feel amazing, they feel high, and they have this kick. It's like you're jumping from a cliff, and then you swim and you scream and you yell and you're happy, and then when you come back home you feel miserable. And I don't believe in those things. I believe in having your natural high, which you can have any day when you want it, and not because someone gives it to you, or you have to create it by drinking coffee or taking drugs or whatever. Have your natural high by connecting with Mother Nature, and you can embrace your own true nature, and that's how it works. So for example, I was just eating a jackfruit yesterday. Someone gave it to me. It was he was like barbecuing on the grill, on the fire. So those seeds, I put them in the sun, because I noticed, even if you eat organic food and you buy it from a store and there's no sunlight, and you keep it in the fridge, you eat it, you feel miserable. Have you looked at those eco people and natural people? They eat, but they look gray and they look like really thin, and you feel like they're dying and they are all grumpy. It's because there's no life. You need life energy, whatever you do. It's like, even if I have my food and I eat it, I put it into the sun, or I make sure I'm in the sun, and I go to the ocean, I get some wind. It's very important for us to connect with nature, to connect with the beings around us. Like now I made rice and I can't eat it, I can't finish it, right? So I kept it here in a bowl, and then I hope the birds will eat it, because I want to share it. And if the birds don't eat it, I will keep it in a corner so the geckos and other beings can eat it. Like, look at this, it's a beautiful passion fruit. They all started growing here, and the other day I was showing a flower which is like actually like a little pumpkin, okay? So look at this, it looks like a little pumpkin, okay? But it opens up and it's this amazing flower. Isn't that amazing? And then I have, it's also, if you have ants, a lot of ants invading your home, don't take chemicals and kick them out and try to kill them. Start talking, like communicate with them, and find out how come there's so many ants in your home. Because there's a message, right? You can talk to them. Like, I have those amazing, beautiful geckos. They're running behind me. They're beautiful green with yellow and red. And then they look at me and they're not scared even of me. And I talk to them, and it's actually funny because I have some company. The spider, there's actually a huge spider. I don't know, she disappeared. So there's a spider web, right? I always communicate with the spiders. I don't kick them out. I don't kill them. Of course, if they're inside the house, I take them and I put them out, but I would not kill them. So what I do is I talk to them, and I always remove the spider webs from the door, and then I tell her, okay, listen, this is your home and this is my home, so don't interfere with my home, but of course you can be here and eat all the mosquitoes, which is amazing. She's helping me, so that's a good thing. So if you're interested in like learning to connect with nature, to communicate with nature, then please let me know, and then we'll find a day and time for more people to join in, and then have a nice workshop online. So aloha, greetings from Big Island. Bye.